Can you buy the time for $1.59 US? A quick search on AliExpress answered yes. It all started as a bold investment, $1.59 for a digital wristwatch. Probably, it is the cheapest new watch you can buy now. A bargain, I told myself. A steal. And I was right, because what I got had definitely stolen the title of watch without me keeping not a single second of accuracy. From the moment I set up the time, watch began to misbehave. Minutes wandered in a week. This watch is visually a clone of Xiaomi Mi band fitness tracker. The resemblance is uncanny, however, instead of blood sensors at the back we get only the plastic embossing of made in China. The bracelet is surprisingly soft and comfortable with a perfectly fitted locking piece. The watch is exceptionally primitive, with a set of a dozen LEDs acting as pixels. No screen. Also, no buttons. Only the capacitive sensor that activates the time displaying feature. The time displaying is the second worst thing in this watch. After you touch the sensor, the display glows for 8 seconds. But you get only 5 seconds of useful screen time. Additional 3 seconds are wasted on animation that is played on screen activation and deactivation. No option to disable animation and to increase screen activity duration. Time tracking features are extremely basic, hour and a minute on one screen, day and month on another screen and seconds on the last third screen. That's it. The accuracy of this watch is horrible. A 6-day experiment has shown the inaccuracy of 1 minute 54 seconds. This equals to 9 minutes 30 seconds per month. Knowing this, our heart is calm for tearing down this piece of unit. With a little persuasion of the prying tool, the watch opens. The watch is a tiny chip under the black epoxy blob and the cylinder of the quartz oscillator above it. There are also contact pads for 2 AG10 batteries connected in series to bring the supply voltage up to 3 volts. The other side of the board consists of LEDs, the sensor pad and the 223B chip that acts as a switch for the sensor. Let's ditch the batteries and power the board with the power supply. LEDs shine very brightly as they are not dimmed by the film filter that also draws the segments of the numbers. After the teardown not much is left. The watch consumes 44.8 mAh when the screen is activated. The AG10 batteries are rated with a usable capacity of 50 mAh. This means the watch can display time roughly for an hour before discharging its batteries. The 2 batteries installed are connected in series, meaning their capacity is not added. For me, the LED and OLED-based watches are worthless. The TFT LCD technology is the best for a wristwatch. What do you think on that? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. And subscribe for more.